accident. It was like a bomb went off in his stomach.
Were you attacked?
By her! She did this to me!
Did not. I hate his guts. Why would I want to look at them?
Sir, did you recently have any surgery?
Had my ruptured appendix taken out last month.
That tracks.
Were you doing anything strenuous when the...
He had a sneezing fit.
He sneezes when he lies.
Oh my God, I'm dying, and this shirt is ruined.
Is he gonna make it? Because if not, I get the entire estate.
You can have it all, I don't care. I never loved you anyway. Ah!
Yeah, ma'am, please. Are you feeling okay?
I can't believe it. He said he never loved me, and then he sneezed. He lied. He really did love me. I'm so sorry. I never meant for things to get this bad. Maybe we can try again?
Yes, baby. I promise I'll never stray again.
Son of a bitch, liar!